In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google Calendar invite. Whether you're organizing a meeting for work, planning a family reunion, or just setting up a casual get-together, sending out invites through Google Calendar is a remarkably efficient way to manage your events. So let's dive into the process and ensure you can easily coordinate your next event. First, let's begin with accessing Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already logged in, you will be prompted to sign into your Google account. Enter your email and password to access your calendar. Having a Google account is essential for using Google Calendar, so make sure you have one if you plan on following along. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a new event. Look for the Create button, often highlighted with a plus sign, and click on it. This action will open an event creation window on your screen. Now that we have the canvas, it's time to start adding details. Let's give your event a title. Depending on the nature of your gathering, you could title it Team Meeting, Birthday Bash, or anything else that captures the essence of what you're planning. Just type the name of your event in the designated field. Next, select the date and time of your event. You'll find fields for both on your screen. Be sure to specify the start and end times for your event. If it's an all-day affair, there's an option for that too. Double check these details to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Now, let's move on to inviting guests. Look to the right side of the event creation dialog and find the Add Guests section. Here, you can enter the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. You can add multiple guests by simply typing each email address and pressing enter. This step ensures that the people you want are informed and able to join your event. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll notice a Got It button, which you may have to click if any prompts appear regarding notifications. After that, hit the Save button to finish up the main setup. As soon as you click Save, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to send invitations to your guests. Clicking Send will dispatch your invites to all the email addresses you included earlier. This step is crucial as it completes the process by notifying your guests and allowing them to respond. And that's it! You've successfully created and sent a Google Calendar invite. With practice, this process will become second nature, transforming your event planning into a seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.